Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create SoFi Bank account online. So if you want to create SoFi Bank account online, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.sofi.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official homepage of SoFi. Here you can see option for open an account. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be redirected to this page. Scroll down and here you can see option for open an account. Click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to create SoFi account, you'll have to follow 3 steps. First of all, you'll have to create your login. Then you'll have to fill out the application and you can enjoy your new bank account. So let's get started and fill up these informations right over here. First of all, provide your legal first name, provide your legal last name. Now select your state. Now you need to provide your email address. Now enter the password. Now you need to check on this box right over here. Now you can see over here next option will be enabled. All you have to do is click on it. Now you need to set up your bank account. First of all, you have to choose what type of account would you like to open. Here you can see 2 options, individual account and joint account. Click on the individual account or joint account according to your choice. Now you'll have to enter your primary address over here. Enter the street address. Now you can see over here city, state and zip code will be generated. Scroll down and here you can see option for next. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll have to select your date of birth. Now click on the next option right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to enter your social security number. Now click on the option next. Now you'll have to select your citizenship status. Here you can see 3 options, US citizen, green card holder, non-permanent resident. You can select the option that is suitable for you. Now you'll have to select your employment status. Now select your occupation. Now click on the next button right over here. Now you'll have to enter your annual income. Estimated income can work, you don't have to be exact. You can see over here the income should be written in dollars. Now click on the next button right over here. Now you'll have to provide your phone number. Then click on the next button right over here. Now you will receive a verification code in your number. All you have to do is enter the verification code right over here. After you get verification code and enter your verification code, you'll have to click on the next button right over here. And then you'll be led to some sort of legal policies. You'll have to check the box. And after following all these steps, you'll be able to create SoFi Bank account online. So that's it for this video. That is how you create SoFi Bank account online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.